TARS AI is right now one of the most hyped AI coins, and in the last months we saw an increase about 300%. But how high is the potential of TARS for this bull run? In this video I will talk about TARS and share my price prediction for the future. So TARS AI is a small AI coin which is backed by the Solana Foundation, and after this longer range we then finally broke out of this massive zone and we directly blew to the upside, and we are right now at 49 cents. And in my video from a month ago I said that the chance is high that TARS will blow up, and we were there at 13 cents. So for all of you that invested in this project when I published the video are in massive profits right now. And right now TARS is on place 251 of all cryptocurrencies with a market cap of $340 million. And because the Solana Foundation backed this project, it has a massive trust from the users. And of course Solana is hyped right now. So many people invest in this project, think that Solana will break massive new all-time highs, and that's why also TARS AI went up. And of course the AI sector is one of the most hyped narratives for this bull run. And as you can see, in the last time we exploded. So we have two very hyped narratives with TARS AI, the Solana Foundation and the AI sector. And if we look at the biggest project in the AI space, Near Protocol, it has a market cap of $8.3 billion. So there's much money in this project. And if the AI coin starts exploding again, then we will see massive new highs. And if we scroll down, we can see that TARS AI is already one of the bigger, smaller AI coins with a market cap of $340 million. And we are already bigger than Flux, Chromia, Pal AI, ZigChain, and also famous projects like ChainGPT and Solidos AI Tech. So TARS AI already outperformed much of these coins, which is a really good sign. And of course, if we look at the chart, it looks extremely bullish. We saw this longer range right here. Then we broke to the upside, broke this last all-time high, broke to the upside, and perfectly retested again, and also exploded in a new all-time high. So this chart looks extremely bullish for me. And if we have a look at the markets where TARS AI is listed, we have Bybit, Maxi, Gate.io, Bitmart, Bitvavo, and also Blofin. So it's already listed on very big exchanges. So much money is coming into this coin, and the Binance listing will come maybe in the future. And if the Binance listing will come, then this project will explode. And if TARS AI just will hit the market cap of Tau, it will be exploding to the upside. If Tau with the market cap right now would reach the market cap of Tau right now, so $4.2 billion, then we would have a 19x potential and a price target of $9.57. So this would be really amazing because we are in the middle of the bull run, and if we now have a project of 19x potential, this is very great. So on the long run I'm very bullish because it's backed by the Solana Foundation, and we also have this very bullish chart. And as you can see, we are clearly in an uptrend. As I said, we perfectly also retested this last all-time high, blew to the upside, so this is a really bullish sign. On the short term we perfectly reached the last price target of 39 cents. We are right now blasting through 58 cents, and if we can also break this one to the upside, then we have this 76 cents. And my personal minimum price target at $1, and I think $4 would be very realistic, because then we would have a market cap of around $2.2 billion, and I think this one is very realistic for the Solana backed AI project. And if you want to trade or buy TARS, you can do this on Blofin. Blofin has no KYC and very low trading fees. And with my link, you get 20% trading fee rebate on top. So all in all, TARS AI is one of the most hyped AI projects right now in the space. This project has very much trust by the Solana Foundation, and the chart is looking extremely bullish. So for the short term, I would use the pullbacks to get into more TARS. So for example, if you're reaching here the 42 cents coming in here, then we could buy some more TARS here. Or if we're going down to the 31 cents, then I would also buy some TARS in this area right here. So guys, thank you really much for watching. I wish you great profits at trading, and see you in the next one.